He grabbed my downstairs, tapos...
What?
My, potato, yeah.
He grabbed your talala. Huh?
Yes.
Oh! Did you kung fu her? No? What did you do?
So, may... Kinawan ako, babadyak. Baka tanggalin ako bukas ng boss ko. Ayun. Tapos, ayun, tumigas, ayun. Sorry.
Stop.
Sorry.
Hey, sir, he said, when the wife of the boss grabbed the talala, some arrows started pointing some direction.
Yes.
Okay ba yan? Okay. Nagets naman dito. Tapos,
ayun, nag-point siya ng direction straight. And after that, binaba niya yung shorts ko.
She pulled down your pants.
Yes.
And then what did she do?
She cleaned.
She what?
She cleaned my potato.
She cleaned the dirty potato.
Yes.
That's so dirty.
Yes.
So she eats dirt?
Oh, not dirty. It's clean.
It's clean. But it looks dirty.
No.
She cleaned. Okay. So she she was singing the song "Get Down" by Backstreet Boys.
I don't know.
And then
I guess Shubang.
She started cleaning the
dirty potato.
The dirty potato. So what did you do?
Wala, relax lang.
You were just relaxed?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Oh, kasi I like it naman eh.
Did you have some dialogue?
Korean. Hindi ko maintindihan eh. Oo.
And then,
ayun, lumipat kami sa sofa. So, tinorn off ko yung light. Tapos, one light ang iniwan ko na bukas. Dito lang sa may kusina. So, ayun, after she cleaned my potato, I cleaned...
You cleaned the plantation of the potato.
Ayun. Siya naman pong lininis ko. Ayan.
How's the plantation? Is the wilderness too, wilderness? Ano ba?
Super.
Iniskabetso mo siya?
Hindi pa po.
Anong ginawa mo?
Nilinis ko siya to downstairs. So, ayun.
And you cleaned the plantation?
Yes.
Not to free the plantation from weeds, grass, vines.
No, actually, no more grass.
And most of all, the wild animals over there.
Ayun.
No more grass.
No more grass.
The garden's grassless. Patapos?
Ayun, tapos, niskabeche ko siya. Tapos, ayun.
Ganon?
Opo. Tapos, gusto ko yung niya, voice kasi,
you love the voice.
Yes.
The dialogue. She was ad-libbing while doing it?
Yeah.
What was she saying?
I don't know. Japanese.
Ganon?
Opo.
Oh. And then, ginawa niyo na yun.
Actually, 2 hours kaming natapos. Ayun.
Ha?
2 hours.
2 hours?
Opo.
Too bad for the sofa.
Ay, clean naman pag natapos na.
Kailan ito nangyari? July 16? Naulit ba ito?
Actually, hindi pa. Siguro, hindi.
Asan na yung asawa niyan?
Nandito na po.
Pag nagkikita kayo, teka lang, English tayo ha.
Hindi po kami nagpapansin.
When you guys see each other in the office, do you contemplate of,
Hindi naman po.
Cleaning some potatoes? Ha?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Uy, susumpa ka sa akin, ha?
Opo.
Do you plan to do it again?
No.
That's bad. Okay? So don't do it again. Okay?
Yes, Papa
So
Jack.
we have to do the promise thing in English. Is that okay?
It's okay.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
My name is
My name is John.
John Artimo Jan.
John. From Tanang Sora, Quezon City.
And today
And today
I
promise
not
not
to do it again.
to do it again.
Ganun kasimple lang, mahirap eh. Is this
Is this
a real life?
realize?
Is this
Is this
just fantasy?
the fantasy?
Caught
Caught
in a landslide? No escape
in a landslide, no escape
from reality.
from reality.
Easy come,
Easy come,
easy go,
easy go.
little high. Dalihan mo. Little high,
With the
little high,
little lie,
little low.
little
Anywhere
anywhere
the wind blows
the wind blows
doesn't really matter
doesn't really matter
to me.
to me.
Oh, it's naman familiar.
No escape from reality.
Ito ba yun? Naku, Bohemian Rhapsody pala yun. Sorry nagaya ko. Maraming salamat sa pagtawag, John.
Papa Jack,
Inaano kita?
can I request a song?
Ha?
Request a song, Korean song, but magugustuhan mo to.
Di ko alam hanggang kailan tayo.
Hindi yun.
Di ko malaman ikot ng mundo.
Please tell me why.
Pero sama ka sa aking biyahe. Ba't ko ba alam to? Ano?
Please tell me why.
Hindi ko, wala kaming ganyan mga kanta, pre.
Ay, wala po. Ano na lang po,
Ito na lang.
Shower with your love.
Alam mo ba to?
Kung po fighting niya.
Ano, shower?
With your love.
Wala kami shower me with your love. Shower me with the love that way. Abot mo nga lechon dito. Masing na ako eh. Wala kami nung pre, sorry
Okay po. Kahit
Alright.
ano po. Love.
Ibang request na lang, dali.
Love move.
Love moves. Wala rin kami. Bangarap na kami dito sa ganyan.
Wala na akong maisip.
Di wala.
Okay.
Yay.
So, Papa Jack, nad kita sa Facebook. So,
Facebook?
nad na ito.
Sorry po mga kaibigan, ito, lilinawag dyan.
Po.
Wala akong Friendster, wala akong Twitter, wala akong Facebook.
Sino yun?
Hindi ko alam, baka ikaw din yan. Hindi, wala po ako niyan. Kung meron man po nag-create na community for me, thank you very much. But I don't have any account sa Facebook, Twitter, or Friendster. Not in any social networking sites, mga kaibigan. Wala po ako niyan.
Really ba, Jack? Sino yun?
Ha?
Sino yun? Poser?
Hindi ko alam kasi poser din ako ni Piolo Pascual. Ba't ba? Magulo.
Ayun.
Salamat sa pagtawag.
Thank you very much.
Ito, coming from Bruno Mars, Just the Way You Are.
Yeah.
Gusto mo to?
Okay, price tag.
Ha?
Price tag po.
Price tag? Sorry, pre, wala kami.
Okay. Bruno Mars.
Ha?
Yun na lang po, just the way you are.
Siya ka na, hindi ko ma-play yung yung price
it's
tag
okay,
para sa'yo, ha?
It's okay.
Sorry, sorry, walang price
It's
tag.
okay, Papa Jack. Bye-bye.